Today I'll show you the easiest way to render your project files just like this. Let's wait a few seconds and you will see it. That's it. I have my render done. It's here. Now I will show you just how to do it. I've put the application that's called renderQ into the Universe, Broadcast, Tools Tutorials, Templates, 2D Compositing and Grading, Nuke, renderQ. And for now I will just reset all the renderQ preferences because on each workstation we need to set it up. Resetting it. And here, how it's starting. I'm opening the renderQ, and actually it's able to do your renders for After Effects, Cinema 4D, Maya, Nuke, and Shake. In the After workstation we will use After Effects and Nuke. I'm saving it. Now I just need to bring it to the render engine executables of After Effects and Nuke. So I'm choosing After Effects CS6, and here we have the render engine executable called AE render. Choose, and same operation for Nuke. So you need to choose the latest version of Nuke we have. You go to Nuke, Contents, Mac OS, and here you have the only executable file called Nuke and the number of version we are using. You press choose. Render flags, we will talk about it a little bit later, or you can find the explanation of render flags in the text files in the same folder with this application. So I'm enabling the render flags for both of this application, pressing save. The default render flags will be empty for After Effects, also for Nuke. And the choose render finish sound. I'm putting 8-bit for now. Press and save. Now it asks us to choose the file for the render. We're pressing save, cancel for now. And here I have already prepared our project files. Actually, to make it work in After Effects, you just send your composition to renderQ with your usual settings. There's nothing new. Blackmagic 10-bit. You need to create output path, and just not to press render for now. You can just quit your After Effects. And now here we have two projects of After Effects and new project. So let's start with the After Effects. I'm just dragging and dropping my project file, choosing not to sleep my computer after it finished, without render flags. It brings the terminal window. Starting After Effects render engine, and it finished. So now I can close the terminal, and the interesting thing is you can render the two projects of After Effects, for example, or even After Effects project with Nuke project seamlessly. So you can add it to renderQ without sleep, no render flags for After, no render flags for Nuke. So the After Effects render will start first. It will play after it finished. And now we have Nuke render. And I'm going to check what's going on with my renders. So this is the file I've rendered with renderQ. I have here my 10 seconds of render in Nuke. Yes, it's there. Just my diff sequence as I said in Nuke. So that's it. The most important part, just to set it up on each workstation.